नमस्कार friends, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Iconic phone design based on the acclaimed ROG Phone 6, the Batman edition incorporates classic design elements inspired by the Batman with the Aura RGB lighting illuminating the iconic pixel-rendered Batman logo. Batman theme pack. Upon pressing the power button of the ROG Phone 6 Batman edition, you'll see the Batman theme startup animation, live wallpaper with charging animation and sound effects, always on panel, and incoming call animation and famous yellow Batman logo fingerprint to unlock your phone. Collectible case design. The case for the ROG Phone 6 Batman edition is designed like an armaments box, hinting at the powerful gear within. On the top, the Batman and ROG logos are fused into a brand new identity. Built from rugged EPP, it's tough and shock resistant, making it perfect for gamers and fans alike. Exclusive accessories. The ROG Phone 6 Batman edition features the Bat Signal projector, Batman Aero case and Batman ejector pin. Each cool accessory is an integral part. Along with the ROG Phone 6D, Asus also introduced the ROG Phone 6 Batman edition, after rumors. This has similar specifications as the ROG Phone 6 and 6D with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 or Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC depending on the region. However, this limited edition model has a special Aura RGB illuminated logo on the back stylized as the Batman emblem along with exclusive themed live wallpapers, icon styles, animations, sound effects and more. The phone also comes with a unique set of matching accessories that includes a USB-C powered Bat Signal searchlight mini projector that can project one of two versions of the famous Bat Signal onto nearby surfaces, a Batman Aero case with a special finish and a hidden Easter egg image, and a specially hard shell case for the phone and the accessories. Pricing and availability. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Batman edition comes in night black color in single 12GB plus 256GB model and is priced at €1,199, 1,196 United States dollars per 95,315 rupees approx, for the Dimensity 9000 Plus version. Now please enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.